بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Dr. Sabah Haisawi and I will be presenting the module on how to paraphrase. I'm sure you have already looked at the promotion for this module, which gives the timeline, the type of learners, and all the details about the course. I will only stress a few things here. Learners for this course should be of intermediate language level and upper. So intermediate to advanced because it needs a good grasp of the English language. One more thing I would like to explain is that this module is addressed to learners who practice writing in general, such as writers, reporters, bloggers, script writers, journalists, creative writers, but it is of special importance to research writers. So it is indispensable to research writers. This is the time plan. If there are any changes, I'm sure you will be notified. So it approximately starts mid-February until mid-March, weekly 1-hour lectures, and it is going to be followed by a test. Let's first give an outline of the module so you know what you are going to study here, and you are free to give me your feedback on whether you want to add a few things, but please have in mind the time limitation of this module. First lecture is going to be about what is paraphrasing. We will explain what is paraphrasing in order to stress a few important things that will help you practice paraphrasing well. There will be plenty of examples starting from sentence level and moving to paragraph level. We will also discuss why we need paraphrasing. Is it an important skill? Now, for this skill, you need other skills in order to perform paraphrasing well. We will also discuss the differences between a summary and a paraphrase because so many researchers confuse these two, and we will give examples to clarify this aspect. Lecture 2 is going to be assigned for strategies for successful paraphrase, and as you see, it is going to be the only point because it will need a lot of practice and explanation of different strategies, so learners may choose the strategy that suits them. Lecture 3 is going to be about plagiarism in general, avoiding the trap of plagiarism, plagiarism detectors, and how to make use of plagiarism detectors. And lecture 4 is going to be a general revision. I will also answer all the questions that you send me either through Rواق or through Twitter through the مبادرة اللغة الإنجليزية, English Mastery. So let's start. Let me just give you a brief introduction so that we put paraphrasing in the right slot. Now, as we said, writers of all types need paraphrasing, but usually it is indispensable for researchers. Now, in doing research writing, we usually depend on resources, books, articles, papers, done by other researchers in the same area that we are researching. So we need to have a look at those resources and make use of them. So paraphrasing is one of the ways in which we can make use of what other people have done in this area. Now, in order again to show the importance of paraphrasing and where it stands, let's very quickly have a look at the 10 steps for writing research. First, you select a topic, then you narrow the topic. You state the tentative objective or the thesis. Then you form a preliminary bibliography. Then you prepare a working outline. After that, you start taking notes. Then you make an outline for your paper, and step 8 is to write a rough draft of your paper, followed by an important step, which is editing your paper in order to put it in its best shape, and step 10 is to write the final draft. Now, where does paraphrasing come handy? At step number 6, which is the step where you start taking notes.